Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special in store for you. If you're looking for the best upholstery cleaner for your dining room chairs, you're in the right place. We've got our hands on the Chemical Guys CWS203 Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Here it is, the Chemical Guys CWS203 Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. This is the ultimate solution to keep your dining room chairs looking spotless and fresh. It's not just a cleaner, it's a complete upholstery cleaning kit that'll make your chairs look brand new. Now, let's dive into the features that make this product stand out from the rest. This cleaner harnesses the power of foaming citrus bubbles to dissolve and remove deep-set dirt, odors, and stains. Whether it's spills, food stains, or just everyday wear and tear, this stuff has got you covered. Check this out. It comes with a drill brush attachment. Instead of spending hours scrubbing back and forth, attach this brush to your drill and let it do the hard work for you. Deep cleaning results in no time. Not just for dining room chairs, you can use it on car seats, carpets, and upholstery. It's perfect for any fabric surface that needs a little TLC. The convenient spray bottle allows you to dilute the product for specialized cleaning needs. Plus, it ensures maximum coverage on your chairs, leaving them looking spotless. Now, let me show you some before and after shots of our dining room chairs. You won't believe the difference this product makes. On the left, we have the dirty, stained chairs. On the right, chairs treated with Chemical Guys CWS203. Look at that transformation. It's like having brand new dining chairs without the price tag. I've personally used this product, and I was blown away by the results. It's not just about cleanliness, it also leaves a refreshing citrus scent behind, making your dining experience even more enjoyable. Now, you can get this fantastic upholstery cleaner in various sizes to suit your needs, from 16 ounces to a whopping 128 ounces. It's currently the #1 bestseller in carpet cleaners on Amazon. You know you're getting a top-notch product. So there you have it, folks. If you want your dining room chairs to look pristine, smell fresh, and stay stain-free, the Chemical Guys CWS203 Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean is the way to go. Don't wait. Get yours now and experience the magic for yourself. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!